Hey folks, RobinClayton here with another episode of Zodicatthefarm at the Farm. Yes, I really am enjoying tuning in with all of you guys each week here. So I hope that you're getting something out of the content. I'm sure you are, just because I'm that confident in my abilities, to be honest with you. But no, I'm just blessed to be here, and I've got something whimsical that I want to do today. Okay, so it's 2 or 3, I actually think I have 4 of these that I want to share with you. So these are just little whimsical flowers that I found, and I'm going to make them for my garden. So stay with me, because I'll give you the tips from A to Z on how to complete these beautiful glass flowers. Okay, see you soon. So here is just a list of items that you're going to need to complete this project. Okay, you're going to need a hook, all right, to hang your plate from. This is actually a doorknob for, you know, any kind of small door, cabinet door, and I got this off of Amazon. And so it comes already assembled with all of the nuts and bolts. In this case, I'm going to be using a wing nut. I need to have a washer for this, okay? And I've got my little wrenches here that I'm going to be using to tighten this down, but actually I'm going to be using the wing nut, so I should be okay. But I think my other ones require me to use this little wrench. So anyway, so that is the list of items that you're going to need, but it will also be listed in the description box below. It's straight through, just like that. And then I've got my washer, and then I've got my hanger, okay? Just like that, okay? So I'm gonna carefully turn it over, and I've got my little washer right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay that washer down right there. And then I'm gonna take my wing nut, and I'm gonna go ahead and screw the wing nut straight to back of this. Okay, and it's tightening from the front just like that. Okay, and there we go. So you can hang that outside in your garden. All right, that's the first one. All right, so back to the assembly of this flower. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my plate, and I'm going to go ahead and put the washer down. And then on this one, remember, this one just goes straight through just like that. I'm not gonna go ahead and put a washer on the inside here, because it's got this little, let me show you, it's got that little middle support right there. So I think that'll be okay to support that. Then I'm going to turn this over, and I'm going to stick that right there just like that. Okay, and then I've got a little washer here for it. It's a metal washer. And then I've got this really small nut there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten that down. Tighten this down just like that. Okay, so that one is finished, and I'm going to turn that one around. Okay, so you could hang these, and you could you could also use this for like a purse holder. And there are just a lot of different things that you can use these for, and they're so decorative. You know, you could put them in your classrooms. You could, you know, put them in your mud rooms. They're super cute. All right, so that's the red one. So I'm going to go ahead and get a washer. Okay, and I'm going to stick this straight through just like that. Actually, I think I'm going to turn this one around like that. Okay, so that supports it. Turn this directly over, and then go ahead and put that washer right there in the center. And then on this one, I'm going to go ahead and just use this as a table scape, just to show you that you don't have to always put hooks on everything. All right, so here we go with that. Okay, and there's no hook on this one. All right, although I could probably cut this off or put in a smaller screw is what I need. But this is just looked at as a table scape, or just to sit it in your garden. You know, you can just sit it there. You can also, I actually need to do a video on a smaller handle. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my knob and push it straight through that hole. All right, and then I'm going to carefully turn it over, and I'm going to place my washer right there, followed by my flower, and then go ahead and get that started. Okay, get started like that, and then just take my little washer and my small wrench. I use a small wrench to tighten this up. I don't want to get it too tight where you crack anything, just tighten it up, okay? And there you go with that, okay? I hope you enjoy this. Hey folks, okay, so we are at the end of the video today, and I hope you have enjoyed spending time here with me creating these beautiful pieces. If you have any questions regarding this particular video, please go ahead and email me at zodicatthefarm@gmail.com. You can also ask me questions in the comment section below. If you're interested in purchasing any of these items, you can find me at etsy.com, ZodicGlassshop / RobinClayton. Okay, so many blessings sent out to all of you. I hope you have a beautiful week and a beautiful month, and I will see you next week here at Zodic at the Farm. All right, take care. Bye-bye.